Today is the 30th of September 2021, the last day of September this year, and we have Pohtolankatu 21 stekesei here in Lintulampi, one of the suburbs of Tampere town for Finland. It's not far from Lintulampi and Niemelanta, towards which the Tampere light rail line is being extended to by 2024. And it said 96 and 97 on that door, so I guess this is already not 97, but let's see. Capacity is 4 plus 325 trucks, 6 floors. Yes, but why not 97? Turning 25 is over next year, 2022. It will be inspected in 2023, and the same number is B1 2211. Let's ride it. Also very nice.
Yeah.
But too slow as well.
Yeah,
wonder is not because we don't have time.
Yeah, and this asuntoskeittiö Tampereen oli nojan auki.
Yeah. I don't understand why they had to build so slow ones here.
Yeah.
We were also in 2 from early 1998 where they were also this slow.
Yeah.
It's really weird because I have done quite a lot of these with 5-6 floors and they're faster.
Same here.
Especially in Jyväskylä.
Yeah.
Several ones in Tampere.
Yeah.
But there's more there, of course.
Yeah. Expected paikki vai expected maintained paikka on.
Yeah. That's it. Let's go to the other staircases here. In this building and the 25.
That's